how to add multi-level sort to a dataset in Microsoft Excel. So when it comes to sorting in Microsoft Excel, there are two ways in which you can do it. One is a single level sort, which will allow you to add one level of sorting to your data. And second is the multi-level sort, which will allow you to have multiple levels of sorting in your data. Let's have a look at how both of them work. I'll switch back to Microsoft Excel, and here we have the data of a few COVID patients in India. So starting from the first patient that is detected on the 30th of January 2020 till the data for 9th of April 2020. Roughly around 6,700 patients data is what we have here, and we are having a look at their age, gender, city, state, current status, and nationality. Now, in this data, let's say I want to sort my data based on multiple columns. The first level of sort that I want to add in my data set is based on the state. I want the state to be sorted in this data from A to Z in alphabetical order. To do that, to add the first level of sort, what I can do is simply enable the sort and filter drop downs by using the shortcut Control Shift L. So the moment I use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus L, I will be having these drop downs in the first row, that is my header row of each and every column. I can easily go to this drop down and in whatever column I want to add that sort and select A to Z or Z to A. If it is a numerical column, I will have smallest to largest and largest to smallest as my sorting options. And when it comes to date-based columns, I will be having oldest date to newest date and the other way around as well. Now, all I have to do is go to these sort options, select A to Z, and as you can see, we will be having the detected state or union territory right here at the top from A going downwards towards Z. So all of this data is right here. The last row is going to be for the state of West Bengal. Now, if I want to add one more sort in this sorted data, where once the data is sorted according to the detected state, I further want to sort my data based on age. That is, I want to have my age from smallest to largest in this sorted data set. Can I do that? Let's have a look. I can go to age bracket, click on smallest to largest, and when I do that, it actually has the smallest to largest for the entire data set. My previous sorting of A to Z in states is no longer applied to it, which tells you that the sort and filter button will only allow you to add one sort at a time. So if you have one sort already applied to it, and if you try to add one more sort, it will remove all the previous sorts and it will apply that sort. This is not something that we want. What we want to do is apply both the sorting together. So what I will do is press Ctrl Z, bring back my original data the way it was, remove the filters by again pressing the shortcut Ctrl Shift L, and now instead of using this one level sort, use something called as custom sort to apply multiple sort levels. To do that, I will have to go to the Home tab. Within the Home tab, under the Editing section, I have Sort and Filter. Simply click on it and go to Custom Sort. So you have two options, just like the way we had in our drop-down, but there is this third option which we didn't have earlier called as Custom Sort. Clicking on which will allow you to open up the Sort dialog box where you can add multiple levels of sorting. So you can define what is sorted first. Once that is done, how do you want your data to be further sorted and so on. So let's go ahead and create our multiple levels. The first thing that I want to apply here is sorting of A to Z by detected states. So I'll go to this option called Sort By, select the column of detected state. I can sort it on different conditions. I would say sort according to cell values or according to different colors of the cell, font color, custom formatting, all these options. But for now, I will stick to cell values, the one that I really want to sort my data on. And then I can have the order as A to Z. Click on OK and your data will be sorted accordingly. However, we do not really want to stop here. We want to add one more sort to it. So again, I can go to sort and filter, go to custom sort and add one more level to it. Click on add level and then you will be having one more option to add a second sort. So first Excel will sort it by detected state, then by whatever you enter in the second row. So here I can say, all right, once the first sorting is applied, then I want you to arrange that sorted data according to age bracket from smallest to largest. So now I will be having two, the primary and the secondary sort applied to my data. The moment I click on OK, as you can see, my primary sort is applied to my data. So we are having A to Z detected states. And at the same time, my age bracket is now in this sorted data, further sorted from smallest to largest. So we have 10 at the top and the last value is 91. It is in increasing order. You do not really have a limit on the number of sorts that you can apply. So you can always go here, go to custom sort and keep on adding more levels. If you do not want a level to be applied, you can simply select it, delete level and then click on OK to remove that sorting as well. For now, I will click on cancel. This is how you can sort your data by one level or multiple levels using custom sort. Custom sort is something that a lot of people are not aware about, and this is an important question to know the answer to. That's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next one.